Katrina, you already saw the thumbnail. You know what I'm cooking, so just keep watching. So KJ's, a local grocery store, had turkey wings on sale, and this box was only $10. And when I opened it up, to my surprise, there were 3 extra large. These must have been the pandemic turkey wings because they were so huge. So I washed them, I cut them, I washed them again, and now I'm patting dry and preparing for my seasonings. A quick drizzle of olive oil, and my seasonings include Italian seasoning, paprika, lemon pepper, poultry seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and next, black pepper. I'm trying to eliminate salt in my diet, so there's no salt. But of course, in the recipe below, I will include the amount of salt for this recipe. Now, taking my hands, I'm going to give these big old turkey wings a deep massage. You know, I'm talking about like envy massage techniques. Placing my turkey wings in an airtight container, and I will let them marinate for an hour. So after an hour, now it's time to start my sides. Following my directions on my par excellence saffron rice, I'm bringing to boil 2 1/4 cups of water with a couple of pats of margarine, giving it a quick stir, putting the lid on it, cooking it on low until the water runs out. And here on the Johnson Ranch, you know we love us some cabbage. So a quick cut, a quick rinse, and in my favorite, well, my only wok, I'm adding some olive oil. And we're going to cook this cabbage down with just some salt, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. So my air fryer was preheated at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. I used cooking oil to prevent sticking, and here I place a couple of my wings in the basket. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for coming back week after week to watch what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. I thank you and I love you so much for your continued support. If you're new here, please don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. And since you're here, let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And this is my lifestyle channel. I love sharing my love of cooking, baking, home decor, DIYs, vlogs, and shopping hauls, and so much more. If this is content that interests you, please come on, become a part of the Priceless Pearl Life family. Do it. Do it right now. It's fun and it's free. So I air fried my wings for about 40 to 45 minutes at 370 degrees. I stopped my air fryer halfway and flipped them over. And you see how good these wings look. So as we say here in the South, let me make me a plate. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Till next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video.